How to factory reset your Android phone. Factory reset Android in recovery mode. If your phone is so messed up that you can't access your settings menu, there's still hope. You can reset in recovery mode, using just the buttons of your phone. If possible, back up your phone's data first, as this process will remove all data from your phone's internal storage. 1. Turn your phone off. 2. Hold the volume down button, and while doing so, also hold the power button until the phone turns on. 3. You'll see the word start, then you should press volume down until recovery mode is highlighted. 4. Now press the power button to start recovery mode. You should see an Android robot now. 5. Once you're in recovery mode, press and hold the power button, and while doing so, press the volume up button once, then let go of the power button. 6. Press volume down until wipe data/factory reset is highlighted, then press the power button to select it. 7. Once that's done, press the power button to select reboot system now. 8. Then, you can restore your phone's data. Have you tried doing a soft or hard reset of your Android phone? How did it go? Let us know how it went in the comments.